Burns.
What's up?
What do we got?
We got a package for Sedan Wagon.
It's a lot bigger than your package.
Well, that's besides the point.
Oh, speaking, I found one that'll work for you.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. I was looking for that.
That's because it's pull-out games week.
Oh, well, he does have kids. So.
That's not true.
No, your pull-out games are halfway decent, but
Yeah,
you
I
do
was
have
saying,
kids. So
only
I mean,
two, though.
I got 5. So yeah, my pull-out game sucks.
My shit just doesn't swim, so.
No, yours swims and it goes bang right
It
to a
wrecks.
wall.
Yeah.
Just like his race car.
I just touched the wall, barely. Jesus. And I went faster that lap, so it was fine.
Shots fired at 9-something in the morning.
You know, I wish we probably like videotaped more often back in the day. Like one time in Blythe when you went 3 wide, and all of a sudden the back end smacks the wall, and before the front end even hits, I looked up Jeremy and went, "It's time to go." How do you know? Wham! Because his front end is tweaked. Anyways, so back to
Ken's box.
what's in the box.
Ken's package.
What's in the box?
What's in the box? Box.
So,
Little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider, sat down beside her, and said, "What's in the bowl, bitch?"
I thought you were going to do the Andrew Dice Clay, Jack and Jill.
Jack and Jill went up the hill, both with $1.25. Bitch came down with $2.50.
that's fucked up.
Hickory dickory dock.
We're not talking
Weird.
about your
This
cock.
bitch was sucking my cock. The clock struck 2. I blew my goo and dumped the bitch on the next block.
Oh, God.
Damn.
Ken, we're sorry this got way inappropriate.
Damn.
We're just here opening up your box.
Just the box.
We're opening up another guy's box.
Well, I'm the one holding
But I'm the gay guy.
and the straight guy's holding the box.
I rest my case.
Burns, are you playing with Ken's package?
I mean, you know what?
Man, it's Monday. We're on a tear today.
I played the 5th right now.
Fifth.
Anyways,
Ooh.
Concord?
Hey, Bernsey.
Concord parts?
Wait, look pretty, because I've got a good shot of you with the car. There, you can send that to your kids. Anyway,
So, Ken, I apologize. We are quite the inappropriate bunch today.
we're definitely.
But we're all working together today to get things ready to go, to get cars fixed and people happy and blah, 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 blah. So again, I apologize
And-
that I've been inappropriate and yeah.
I don't.
And look how clean this side of the shop is.
I've been at it.
Yeah,
I've been at it like a mofo.
Scotty, I'm gonna get you a maid outfit.
Ooh, yes, sir.
God, we're 3 minutes in and we haven't even gotten to what we're supposed to be on. Anyway, where are we at, Bernsey?
Came from Concord parts?
Concourse parts.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they've got
Carson
some
City?
great
Yeah.
Yeah.
stuff, like seriously.
Pretty cool.
Yeah,
Got a magnet with their business card on it.
sweet.
So-
and Bernsey already stole it and stuck it on his box.
Yep, of course. So,
Oh, that's fine. Ooh, weather strip.
yep.
Scotty, I know what you're gonna be working on this week.
Front door.
Yeah,
Is that what that
you want to
says?
do the fronts first,
Okay. All right.
and if it's good, then he wants to get the rears done.
Nice. Got some
Man, we got all the Pertronics goodies in there.
hood stuff.
Ooh, the bumpers and the stuff for the hood. Very nice.
I'm so sure. I mean, some more bushings. Something.
That says it on it.
Does it?
Do I need to buy you Hooked on Phonics so you can learn to read?
Front hood bumper.
Yeah,
Or
that.
rear.
Yeah, for the back of the hood.
Oh, okay. Yeah. All right.
Anywho,
So
what
all
else?
the hood stuff. All right. Nice. So,
Oh, all the Pertronics good stuff.
yeah. We got
Man,
wires.
he went to town.
I don't know about this though.
No, that's a good coil. I mean, it's chrome. but-
Chrome doesn't get you home though.
No, but Pertronics flamethrower coils are very, very good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll have to look at that in for the Plymouth.
Yeah, for your Plymouth, that'd be perfect.
That'd be kind of fun.
For your Mustang, we're doing an MSD.
Oh yeah, Mustang MSD Plymouth. Yes, something like this would be kind of fun, crazy. I'm not a chrome guy. Sorry, Ken, just not.
Yeah, but that coil's good. You know what else is a good coil for the money?
What's that?
Blue Streak,
Blue Streak. Why does that sound familiar?
because it's old school, but they still sell them.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's came in. You said last Thursday.
That came Thursday. Where was I going? Oh no, Wednesday. That showed up Wednesday afternoon, I think.
I was about to say, where was I? Never mind.
Because I was going to that funeral when he showed up. When UPS showed up.
Oh, nice.
I was pulling out of the parking lot.
How'd that all go?
It was alright.
Nice.
It's a funeral.
Yeah, I know.
I tried to hold it together and then I lost it.
It's usually how it works.
Yep.
So,
all right,
Ken. There you go.
Randomness and
I'll go.
Wagyu parts.
We'll go up on the shelf, marked, ready to go.
And
Go from
Scotty
there.
probably maybe we on the maybe I'll Scotty do this weather strip tomorrow. Yeah.
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 Oh yeah.
Nice guy. All right.
All right.
So I guess back to kind of work and cleaning, huh?
Kind of cleaning up this disaster
Because
because
12:30, I'm out.
I know you got a ball game.
Got my daughter's ball game. Her last one for the season.
Nice.
Yep.
Nice.
So excited about that.
All right. So we're on it. Then we're gonna go clean over there now. Don't hit me with the box.
What's in the box?